you're using GT Bank, and Access Bank, a Zenith Bank, these guys can pay you directly. Are you tired of waiting for salaries to arrive at the end of the month? There are legit websites where you can earn thousands of naira weekly. In this video, I'll show you 5 websites that will pay you daily for executing easy activities such as survey, typing, clicking, likes, comments, data entry, sharing your opinion, and so on. Of these 5 websites, number 4 is my favorite. However, that is just my personal opinion. You may find others more favorable to you. Let's just go into it. As a disclaimer here, I'm not a financial advisor. However, I share my insights based on personal experiences to help individuals select websites that promises daily payment. These are websites that I've used. So if you're interested in working from the comfort of your home, the first website is fortunable.com. Fortunable.com is basically a survey platform. Like if you're interested in travel surveys, computer or video games, research, education, food and beverages, healthcare, household, occupation, electronic, automobile, and more. These people work right here in Nigeria, so you don't need to open another account or an extra account. They can pay directly into your Nigerian account. For instance, you're using a GT Bank, an Access Bank, a Zenith Bank, these guys can pay you directly. So you will just execute tasks by filling surveys. Remember, don't have unrealistic expectations when trying to make money online. You don't expect them to pay you maybe $10 at a time, $5 at a time. You get it in bits. As long as you are able to execute your tasks, you will be paid. The accumulation of those tasks is what will give you your total amount for the day. You can do it day in, day out for the whole week. That will give you thousands of naira in your account. You can use this as a side hustle or even as a part-time business. And this is also a means to turn your idle time into instant cash. So instead of you going on Instagram and liking posts of people you don't know, that is not making anything for you, that you're just wasting data and whiling away time, you can use this to make more money and feel good. I'm not trying to say that you trying to while away time, enjoying yourself is not a good thing. I'm just saying in this tight economy, you could do better. So liking this video is part of you doing good. I mean, I'm giving you value, so please like this video, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. The second one is nairaworker.com. If you've been watching my videos, I've already made a video on Naira Worker earlier, and I saw that lots of people actually keyed into it. That is why I'm bringing it back for people who are new subscribers, because this video has been like 2 years now, right? So I'm bringing it for people who are new subscribers and who have not seen the video for any other reason. So nairaworker.com actually pays you in naira into your naira account. They pay you for executing tasks such as liking videos, watching videos, following people on a platform. It is basically a freelancing thing. Social network, data entry, testing mobile app, testing websites, writing, downloading, taking surveys, and watching YouTube videos. Whichever you're comfortable with in all of these tasks, just get straight into it. Execute the task, show evidences that you have executed the tasks, and they will pay the money into your wallet. And from there, you can transfer into your account. If you're interested in joining this website, I'll drop the link in the description below for you to click, because every time you click through this link, you get a referral bonus. And that is what we want to do. We would need a referral bonus, right? At least something to give us a soft landing. You guys should click that description below to get the link on nairaworker.com. Nairaworker.com is also one of those sites where you can pay people to execute tasks for you. For instance, you have a YouTube channel and you want to increase the views, the engagement, the likes, the comments. You can always pay people to execute this task. Or if you have an Instagram account and you need more followings, you can pay people to follow you, to comment, and all of that. Just pay into your wallet and the platform will match you with those who are ready to execute the task for you. It's as simple as that. The next is surveytime.com. This website gives you an opportunity to sign up, follow the prompts, and also turn on notifications for survey updates. So if there are no survey at a time, other surveys comes up, it will also notify you, so you quickly go execute the task. So like the name implies, it is basically a survey website, and you can earn as much as you want on this website. However, you need to have a PayPal account for you to be able to access your money, or through gift cards. So if you are in any other parts of the world, it is easy for you to get this, like UK, US, Canada. But for Nigeria, you might need a VPN, or if you have someone abroad, they can just help you use their PayPal account to get money. Or if you even have a PayPal account, good for you. Next is Farms Optasks. Farms Optasks. Anyways, this also has a soft landing for Nigerians. They can pay directly into your Nigerian account. You don't need to stress. You don't need to start having headaches over VPN or any kind of account. Okay. And yeah, you're good to go. But on this website, you can post tasks or engage in tasks. What that means is if you have tasks for others to execute, you can go post it on that website and you pay into your wallet for it to be withdrawn to those who have executed the tasks. However, we are talking of those who want to make money from the platform. So we are engaging in the tasks. What it means is we are the one that they will be paying for these tasks. English. So they pay you for tasks like comments, likes, followings. These tasks are carried out on other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and it's really very seamless, I must tell you. So if you're interested in joining this platform, the link is in my description below. Please click that link to get your own referral bonus. So if you want to make money from home in Nigeria this year, you're going to consider another website, which is Wense. Wense is a survey site. You earn by taking paid offers, taking surveys, micro tasks, and it has daily activity bonus. You see, this website is very easy to access. Just sign up, follow the prompts, and start answering questions. For survey sites, I would advise that you be careful about what you put on the internet, especially as regards personal questions. Sometimes you may get questions like, how much do your entire household earn in a year? You may not be comfortable putting that out. So if you don't want that question, you can move to the next question that you're comfortable with. Just be careful what you put on the internet as information. In order to get paid, you need to have a Payoneer account or PayPal account or Skrill account, Wise account. With Wise, they can do a wire transfer to your Nigerian bank account or even gift cards. So if you are not in Nigeria, it will be easy for you to access your gift cards. Other African countries can also use the Payoneer accounts, the PayPal accounts, and the rest of them. So if not for the fact that they do not have a direct Nigerian account, I would have really loved this website like a lot. However, if it works for you, if you have a PayPal account or a Payoneer account and the rest of them, you can go into this website and see how you can make your own money from them. But for all the Nigerian websites, I have their links in the description below. You can click those links and you start getting your bonuses immediately. So guys, if you have probably signed up in some of these sites before, or you just need me to post more sites, websites that will pay you daily in Nigeria, put it in the comment section. Funke, post more videos on websites that will pay you daily in Nigeria so that I'll give you, because I have lots of them right now. So if you're a beginner and you're looking to augment your income or even upskill yourself this year, you should watch this video next. It will help you to achieve your aim, whether you're in Nigeria or in any other African country.